Okay, so what a year. 2021. If you are in the process of building a pool in 2021, please remember to go easy on your pool builder. The amount of disruptions in the supply chain this year, I mean, I know they're affecting pretty much every industry in the world, but the pool industry has definitely been affected by it. And go easy on your pool builder. They're probably doing the best they can. My 2-month project turned into a 6-month project. And that was with me doing everything I possibly could to get it built quickly. So I know it's been a long time since I've shot a video. It's just been a crazy year. Once we got into peak pool season, I didn't have a whole lot of time to do anything. But the pool is 90% finished now. It's not completely finished. Now, we had it full of water about 2.5 months ago. And so it's already had 2.5 months of water in there in 89, high 80s, 90s, sometimes close to 100 degree temperatures. We haven't had any issues so far. Zero chlorine, no salt, no chlorine, no ozone. It's to me, the water looks great. And so I'm going to give you a quick view of where we're at on the pool right now. And just keep in mind, it's only about 90% done. It's not complete all the way. And so there's still some cleanup we've got to do, and there's we've still got to do the Sundek overlay on the deck and all that. But anyway, just wanted to give you a quick view, and then once we get finished, I'll shoot another video where I go into a lot more detail, or I might shoot a couple of videos, one for the pool and then one for the equipment. But anyway, this is the swimming pool, and it was just a few months ago that it was nothing but Georgia red clay. And so we have come a long way. If you wanted to check out the tanning ledge, we've got a bench that goes along the side, a couple of benches in the deep end, and then I don't have it turned on right now, but we do have 3 shear descent waterfalls that come off of that raised wall over there, cabana, and the fireplace, which does not have the TV put on it yet, but we're going to install that shortly. Anyway, that gives you an idea of how far we've come. It did take a lot longer than I thought. I should be able to post a video a lot sooner this time, so keep your eyes open.